Another day, another English lesson. Prepositions after. Agree with, on, to, and about. Hi everyone. Welcome back to another English lesson. Today, we're going to look at a common problem for English learners. The different ways to use the verb agree. You might have seen it with different prepositions like agree with, agree on, agree to, and agree about. They look similar, but they're used in different situations. Let's take a look. 1. Agree with. We use this when we agree with a person or an idea someone has. I agree with you. I agree with his opinion. 2. Agree on. We use this when we agree on a topic, a plan, or a decision. We all agree on the best solution. They agree on the time of the meeting. 3. Agree to. We use this when we agree to do something or accept a suggestion or rule. She agreed to help me. He agreed to the new schedule. 4. Agree about. This is similar to agree on, but it's more general. We use it when people have the same opinion about a subject. We agree about most things. They don't agree about politics. Quick tips. Use agree with for people or ideas. Use agree on for specific plans or details. Use agree to for actions or permission. Use agree about for general topics or subjects. By understanding these small differences, your English will sound much more natural and confident. Now, watch and choose the correct preposition to complete the sentence. One, we couldn't agree on which movie to watch, so we watched 2 short ones instead. 2. Sarah agreed to lend me her car for the weekend. 3. I agree with you. This restaurant really does have the best coffee in town. 4. My parents don't always agree about money, but they both want the best for the family. 5. After talking for an hour, we finally agreed on a date for the wedding. 6. We all agreed to meet at the train station at 8 o'clock a.m. 7. Most teachers agree about the importance of giving students more speaking practice. 8. Daniel agrees with his coach that he needs to train more before the tournament. 9. The team agreed on a new strategy to win the next game. 10. I agree with Maria. The beach is the perfect place to relax after a long week. 11. He didn't want to at first, but he agreed to join us for dinner. 12. We agree about most things. That's why we're such good friends. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.